Right, I'll just hold the book like this and I'll talk for about 30 seconds, okay?
Okay.
Right.
You read this book?
Yeah?
This book is disgusting.
What do you mean disgusting?
It is disgusting. It mocks the French president.
The what?
The president, Monsieur Sarkozy.
How?
You say in this book that his secretary give him jobs.
Jobs? What do you mean jobs?
You say his secretary gives the president jobs.
Oh, you mean blowjobs?
It is wrong. It is not true.
It's not true.
It is not true. This
says-
book, monsieur, this book will get you in the merde, in the really French merde.
Oh.
Ah.
Hang on, that wasn't... Was it?